Hi everyone, you're watching Titi's Garden. You're welcome once again to my channel. If this is your first time, you're welcome. Remember to subscribe to my channel and you're going to get a lot of information about growing your own garden. Today, I'll be talking about when to harvest our tomatoes, how to harvest them, and how we are going to get a bountiful harvest in a short planting season. Let me ask you, how do you harvest your tomato? Do you harvest them green or do you harvest them when they are red? I will tell you, we're in zone 3 and we have a short planting season, and you can imagine all these tomatoes were on the same tree last week. I brought in this ones and I kept them indoors. As you can see, is already ripe, and the same one on the tree, they are still green. It takes a longer time to ripen outside, and we don't have enough time to get as much as we want. So what I do, I get them green. And how do you know when they are ready to harvest? You start seeing them changing color. You can see this is not so green, and that tells you they're matured enough. It's not going to get bigger than that, so it's the best time for you to take them in. So let us see, how do you know? Once you start seeing the color changing, it starts changing from green to light green to yellow before it turns to red. As you can see, this one, the tip is still green, but underneath it gets lighter. It starts getting ripe from under. So this is ready. Within a week is going to get ripe, and I just take them in, wash them, allow it to dry off, and I put them in a paper bag. If you do not have paper bag, don't worry, you can just take them in the way they are like this and put it by the window store, or you can put them in a brown paper bag, just the way I'm doing right now. And the only thing I put in is an apple. If you don't have an apple, you can use a banana. They help all these plants, all these tomatoes, even peppers, to ripen faster. And this is ready. I'll just put it by the side. If you don't have brown paper bag, you can also use the newspaper. I'll put them in and wrap it up properly. But before that, remember to put an apple or a banana inside. And that is it. Very easy. I hope you try that. Do not wait. We don't have luxury of time. We are in zone 3, remember. Get your tomatoes in even while they're green. And another good thing about removing them green, all this tomato, if you allow it to ripen on the tree, it attracts all this pest. You can get rodents that will come, even birds will, once they see the red color, they are attracted to it and they can bite off of it, and that makes your tomato go to waste, and we don't want that to happen to our tomatoes. So try and take them in, save time, and before you know it, you start seeing all the plants with new flowers and more tomatoes coming up very soon. I hope I'll be able to pass on information that is helpful in the garden today. Thank you. Remember to subscribe to my channel. Keep your tomato green. In a week or 2 weeks time, you are going to get them red. Do not wait outside. It takes forever to ripen. Thank you so much for watching today. Subscribe to my channel. Press the bell button for more videos. See you soon for more and exciting videos. Bye. God bless you.